Let's go, everyone. Today we're back again with another CeraVe product unboxing. This time this is CeraVe PM Facial Moisturizing Lotion. Ultra lightweight for when you're getting your sleep in, your beauty sleep. Moisturizes throughout the night and helps restore the protective skin barrier. 3 ounces. Let's go. All right. Show you all the packaging. Ooh, I've unboxed this on my channel. Now I gotta get the PM. Alright, so for normal to dry skin, oily free. Here we go. What you've been waiting for. What it looks like. Nothing too fancy in there. Here's the back. Directions: apply liberally to face and neck at night. There you have it. This is what it looks like. Hope you all enjoyed. Hope you're all doing well. Hope you're all staying moisturized. Take care, and I will see you next time. Later.